Okay, I'm back with the last video, and in this video we're gonna look at what we call users. Okay, before I show you the command who am I, but you're gonna keep asking me, so why would we have all these commands? Why would we have all these commands? Because honestly speaking, yeah, we have to know why did we have them anyway. So there is what we call in every PC. Honestly, in every PC there are multiple users, but especially in Linux there are multiple users and they can use the PC, a lot of them at once. It is not like Windows, like when you log in you are the only one. No, in Linux right now I can log in to this system from a very long distance, and then I can do something, and maybe I can shut down the PC from very long places. You got so right now I'm gonna show you the command users. How can you see how many users do you have in the PC, and how can you add another new user? Okay, so first of all, show all users. This is the first thing we're gonna learn, and the second one is sorry, create a new creating a new user. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, there is a command called users. Yeah, it exists still. If I say users, it's gonna show me all the users in this PC, because this PC doesn't have much users. It has only one user, which is Kali. But let's assume I go to my actual PC because I have multiple users. If I execute this command here, you see it show me a lot of people: Black Dracula, Black Dracula 18, Black Dracula 18, Black Dracula 18, and show me root. And actually this command, it is showing you the users that are logged in. So for example, like I forget how to use this command, well, that's why I teach you man pages. You can just say man users, and you can see users print the username of users currently logged into the current host, and the host here stands for the actual PC machine. Okay, so this users, it prints the name of the users that are currently using this PC. You understand, right? So we are actually not looking at this command, we are looking at command to show us all the users in the system. Okay, so how did you do that? Well, if you doesn't know, you can search it in Google, but I think I know how to do it. User list, user ls. So okay, I think I'm stupid. There's another way, but I don't want to use it. As I told you, googling things are always the best. I don't want to view this file. I'm not interested in that. I want another way. So unfortunately, actually this is the only way that I don't want you to confuse. I know this for a very long time, but I don't want to use it. But there has to be another way. It doesn't make sense. Sometimes you have to scroll 20 hours to find something that you are looking at exactly. I'm absolutely sorry. I don't want to view this file. Well, fortunately, it actually there is, the only way to do that is by viewing one file, which is this one. What do you call it again? Not shadows. See, let's add all the users in the PC, and that's why I told you I really don't want to show you this, because it has a lot of useless information that you're not gonna understand for now. But you know, there is always a way. So if you say ls-home, it's gonna show us only the users that we have in here. So we have only this user, we have only Kali. But as I told you, I want to show you all the users. So how to see all the users, you can just do this for now. ls-home, you can see all the users with this ls-home, because -home is home for everyone, and if it doesn't have home, you are not a user, you are not welcome in here. So the next thing is how to create users, which is very important as well. Actually, we should create and delete them, because sometimes you want to delete it. I'm sorry, why did I open this? I'm gonna delete, I'm gonna close this. So there is one command which is user add, which I doesn't know exactly how to use it, so I can just use man pages. I use it all the time, but I always forget. So I can say user add. It's gonna tell you it is create a new user or update a new user, blah 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 blah, and then I'm gonna see how to use it exactly. I want to create a user. Yes, I want to create that user, and then I want to create that guy. I want to make him he has a home, so I have to say, so the command should be something like this: user add dash d, and then I don't want this guy to expire, and then I don't want it to have I don't want it to be in any group. I don't care really. I want him to be in G group. I don't care this one as well. This one too. I don't need this one, and then this one, and then this one. I want this guy to have a home as well. I can say dash m, because you see the create from here. So why do we have this one now? The user will be created using home there as a variable for the user to hold. It's this one. Unfortunately, I don't even need to put this one as well. I don't need it. So I need to make home for him. No, I need him to be at home. I don't want him to be unique, and then I can give him a password dash p. I can say like password. I'm just gonna save it as a password, or let's just say 1 2 3 4, and then what else? I don't want him to be root. I don't want him to be this, and I can give him a shell where he's gonna log out. Sorry, login. And say dash s dash b dash dsh user group. I really don't care about this one, to be honest. And what else? I think I'm finished with the command complete. So that's what I told you. Man pages, they are very important. I really don't memorize all these commands, but I know how to use them because of man pages. So I can just quit this and paste this command here, and I'm just gonna write the name of the user. Let's the name of the user be user1, and I have to be sudo for some reasons. So right now I make a new user, and his name is user1. His password is 1234, and he has a home directory. And what does this p do again? I forget. P, what does it does again? Oh, it's a password. Okay, I gave him a password, but what? Oh yeah, sure. I gave it. I make him he has a home directory, which is this dash m. Tag p. I have him a password of 1234, and dash s is where is he going to log in. And this is something that I will teach you later. It's these are like a shells that we have different, and this one is the name of the user. So what was the command to show all users again? If I copy this one, I say Control C, Control V. Right now you're gonna see this guy here. You see him here already. We already have another user, user1. Okay, so right now I said I want to log into, I want to use this user as well. Okay, so I can do that by opening a new terminal, and then I can use this command su user1, and then his password 123. I'm sorry, I like the wrong password. I'm so sorry. 1 2 3 4 again. What? Why is this wrong again? Okay, I think passed out reading user now. I'm sorry. I changed his password to something else. Probably is what's getting me error. Okay, sure. You see right now I log into another user, which is user1. If I say who am I, you see right now I am user1. Okay, and if I say who because technically only this guy really log into the system. But if I really want to, if I want to demonstrate how this who works to you, I need to do a lot of things for you to understand. Let me SSH here that user1. What is the IP address of this? I need to get an IP address real quick. The IP address is 10.121.150.237. His password is 1234. And S. So right now, if I say who, you're gonna see user1 in there as well. You see him? Because I log in from this user1 to, like, I just want to show you how who works. it's telling you who is logged into the system right now. So you see right now I use it, I make it works. So you know how to create a user. It's just like a long too many commands, but it's okay lah. You're gonna learn it but eventually. User add, and you see even me too, I don't know exactly how to do it. So that's why I teach you how to use man pages. If you know how to use man pages, anything else is very easy and simple, straightforward. You don't have to go like this. No, it's very simple. You don't know something, you know the exact command and just use type man. For example, I can just say man here. See the command? Show who is logged in. And it has a lot of things that I never use any of them, because they are whatsoever not useful anyway. It's gonna show login process, it's gonna show dead process, time for the last boot. See that I can do something like type B. See, I turn my PC on 350 something today or something like this. That's a lot of things. So, and that's all from me, and I hope you're doing well. Sorry, I keep repeating this over and over again. I'm just worried about everyone right now because of all this COVID. Just stay safe.